If you are suffering from tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis and you have pain with gripping, twisting, or using your hand in general, you're probably very frustrated with the pain. It can take a year or longer to go away, but it doesn't have to take that long. There are a lot of exercises you can do, but not all of them are going to help out all that much. I'm Dr. AJ Ludlow, and in this video I'm going to show you the #1 research-backed exercise that you can use to reduce your pain by up to 80% in just a matter of days and eventually eliminate the pain altogether. It also happens to be one of the least expensive and easiest treatment options because you can do it at home on your own. So in the study on this exercise, people with tennis elbow did this exercise in addition to standard physical therapy treatment for 6 weeks, and they had a 76% improvement in function, 81% improvement in pain, 79% reduction in tenderness, and 71% improvement in strength, while the standard physical therapy group treatment saw very minimal improvement. Multiple studies have proven that a very specific type of exercise helps tendons heal more quickly. It's called an eccentric exercise, which is a slow and controlled lengthening of the muscle and tendon. It's a simple exercise, but it does require a rubber bar, which fortunately doesn't cost very much. I'll put a link for one, the one that they used in the study, in the description at the end of the video. To do the exercise, you hold the bar in the injured arm with your wrist fully extended. Then you grab behind the bar with your other hand and give it a good twist. You want a lot of tension on the bar. Then you straighten out both arms while keeping the bar fully twisted. Now slowly untwist the bar with your injured arm. The slow untwisting motion should take a full 4 seconds. For best results, you'll need to do 3 sets of 15 every day for 6 weeks so you can fully heal your tennis elbow and get back to doing what you want without pain. In the study, they used a rest period of 30 seconds in between sets. It's a little awkward at first, but after doing it several times, it gets easier. A little pain or discomfort is okay, and you should notice that it will get easier and feel better as you go. In fact, the study started with a lighter resistance rubber bar, then progressed to heavier resistance when they no longer had discomfort and the exercise got easier. If you're going to do this exercise to improve your tennis elbow, and I highly recommend that you do, then you'll want to start with a lighter resistance bar. The red bar should be good for most people, but if you have a lot of pain that's easily flared up, you may need to start with a yellow. The green bar provides quite a bit of resistance and would be good to start with if you are already feeling pretty strong and think you can handle it, but most people would do well to start with the red, then progress to the green when you're ready. If this has been helpful, make sure to give this a like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best in recovering from your tennis elbow. Stick with it and you'll do great.